Hi, my name's Ashley Eubank, and this is a brief tutorial about the software called MATLAB. This is the 2014A version. And to begin, let's start off by looking at the command window. In the command window, MATLAB performs all of its matrix computations. So if we were to assign the variable a to this matrix, 1, 2, 3, we could easily just type it out like this and hit enter, and it would display the matrices explicitly. Now if you wanted to type out a matrices called B, you could just say, let's do 4, 5, 6, and 4, 5, 6. If you did not want it to show explicitly, you could put a semicolon at the end of it and simply hit enter, and it will not show it to you, but it has certainly saved that variable in the workspace anyway. If you want to do a basic math calculation, such as b times a, you could press enter, and it will perform the calculation if everything meets its standards. So for matrix multiplications, these dimensions have to be proper. So if you go down here to your workspace where MATLAB has assigned these variables, you can easily edit them by double-clicking on a variable and going up here into the variables window, where you can add to your matrix or take away from it, simply edit it. And now you can see that your command window has now shrunk down here. So if you want to do that exact same calculation that you just did, you simply have to hit the up arrow and hit enter, and it will compute that calculation for you. So now F is assigned to this matrices. Now look over here in your workspace window again, it has organized it nicely in alphabetical order. Now let's take a look at how to make a script. You simply have to go up here and hit new and select script, and your editor window will appear. And in this window you can write an algorithm for a certain math problem or anything that you'd like really, and save it into MATLAB. And in order to save it, you can go up to the save button, hit save as, and you can navigate to the specific folder that you'd like to save it to. For me, it would be under my class that I'm doing this project for, and we're just going to give it a relevant name, such as tutorial, like I had said, and then hit save. And now if you go over to your current folder window, you can find the specific file that you just saved, navigating to it, and see here it saved it as tutorial. Now if I want to exit out of this tutorial window and one day I want to reopen it, it'll be in this file, and all I have to do is select it and it'll pop right up in MATLAB. Now this is the basics of MATLAB, but I hope you've enjoyed this simple tutorial.